In the meanwhile, guys, check this out. These dates, well, they have these nets to actually just. Okay guys, so I'm walking like 1.1 kilometers to have dinner here on Takhassusi Street, but on the other side. So I'm gonna show you around, and also I'm going to go to this one cafe. Its name is A12, and they have some unique sort of stuff other than just coffee. So might be trying that out as well. Let's see how it goes. I'll show you as well. ए दादा कैसा है? ठीक है? कैसा टाइम गुजरा? So I met this street cleaner once upon a time. Well, right now I am next to Nahdi. I stopped here one time, and when I parked my car, there was a cat that went into the bonnet of the car, and well, it was quite audacious of the cat to actually go inside, and well, and arduous for me to take it out. So well, another guy helped, and this guy also helped, and since then I see him often over here, and we get to say hi to each other. So he doesn't usually come on camera, but yeah, he's a good guy. He's from India. In the meanwhile, guys, check this out. These dates, well, they have these nets to actually just as a mayor to catch the dates that fall off. So well, it's quite interesting. All these date trees have this one. Okay guys, so I have to cross from over there, and then there's a beautiful space over there, a lot of shops, outdoor space. So we crossed the road halfway and we have to cross the other half now. Guys, I'm at this place, The Zone, here on Takhassusi Street in Riyadh. It's a wonderful outdoor space with a lot of good brands, a lot of good eateries. Well, I'm not actually going here, I'm going to another place for dinner and another cafe up ahead on Takhassusi Street, but I'll just show you around. You see the vibes of this place. Well, it's a pretty cool outdoor area. They have a lot of fountains over here on that side, and then on the other side, far side as well. Then they also have this Pete's coffee. I actually like Pete's coffee, and well, this sitting space, I think it's the best that Pete's coffee has here in Riyadh. Then there are a lot of eateries on either side, on this side and the other side as well. Check out the beauty of this place. Also gonna show you something that's really cool. Well, check this out. Wonderful. If you have kids, they can use this one. I'm not sure if it has charges, but well, it's a good thing. Okay, so well, it's time for me to go, but sometimes they have these shops, like small shops over there, outdoor, and these are like small brands. They can take some space and they can sell their stuff over there. I've often seen some artists doing their stuff over there as well. So all in all, it's a very good place. Maybe we'll visit in detail sometime later, and for now I'm actually going to the other restaurant and the A12 Café. But this place, it's quite interesting. There's Pete's coffee over there, quite a, I would say, premium location they have over here, and a premium experience if you come over here to The Zone on Takhassusi Street in Riyadh. We have something interesting over here. Look at that Superman logo over there on the Kingdom Tower. Check that out. Wonderful. I mean, like, who asked them to put it there? Interesting. I'm not sure if anyone noticed that, but if you are seeing this video and you noticed, do let me know down in the comments. And I'm also not sure how long it's gonna be there, but well, this is quite interesting. And right now I'm at this place called Zone at Takhassusi Street here in Riyadh. Quite a wonderful place it is, but look at that brilliant thing that they have over here. I should take a screenshot from here. It looks quite interesting, I would say. And maybe I'm standing like quite far from there, you see. Anyways, I'm going here for dinner and to another cafe called A12, and well, they still have this on. I'm not sure why they aren't taking it off, but usually the advertisement, they are just 1 minute long, and it's already 1 minute. They also have this EV charging over here. Check out these wonderful vehicles. I think it's just one vehicle right now, an EV. Let's see which one it is. It's a Ferrari, I think. No, it's a Porsche. So it's a Porsche, and here we have a variety of restaurants where we can eat. But this EV charging is from EV IQ. Personally, I have tried yakhna. I have also tried this Chai Cafe and Boo Kees. I've tried that as well. What else can we see? I think I'll go to yakhna. as they have a very good indoor seating. And well, that's me. So once again, hello beautifuls, and actually I'm gonna sit outside because I'm avoiding music, because I tend to be more focused, more energetic when I'm away from music. So it's better to stay outside and be in the actual environment of this Takhassusi Street. And though not good because there's a lot of pollutants coming out of the cars, but anyways, that's life. We'll make do with what we have. These are the vibes inside. These are the vibes outside on Takhassusi Street. We have our hot chocolate. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. A12. See? Check this out, guys. Wonderful. See, guys, they are also closing. So, thank you so much. Have a great day, great night, wherever you are seeing this video from. Have a blessed one.